Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in Sweat Wallet. To sign in Sweat Wallet, first you have to download Sweat Wallet application from your Google Play Store or the App Store depending upon the device you are using. After this, tap Open the application. Here you have two options, that is continuing with Google or the other methods. By tapping on other methods, you will find option to log in using Sweatcoin username or secret phrase or the private key. You can also continue with Google account or the Apple ID depending on the device you are using. I'll just go back and then continue with Google. Select the account you are signing in with. And now it is preparing your wallet. And here you go. You have successfully signed into Sweat Wallet. Here, you can trade cryptocurrencies, including buying and transferring your cryptocurrencies. You can use Sweat Wallet to store and manage your Sweat tokens or cryptocurrency earned through Sweatcoin app by working essentially allowing you to convert your physical activity into digital asset that can potentially be used to purchase goods or services within Sweatcoin ecosystem. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.